Listo.
Personal reflection. For me, the phoneme is important because we can communicate it, each other, but we have to pronounce the words carefully because some words sound different from each other and the words don't always sound. This sounds as written, for example, the word mouse sounds mouse, and the word we sounds the same instead. And some words are written different but sound. The same but they don't mean the same. These words are home, found, and there are some examples. How that meant 60 minutes and word that it possessed pronouns. I will learn how to pronounce fluently. The words in English are too sound. Times I got twisted, and but I tried to practice reading, singing sound in order to improve my pronunciation in English.